Welcome to the launch video for the Voyager Blade 2 from Thorn Lighting. This new emergency exit sign offers a sleek aesthetic and blends easily into the architecture of your building. We've also taken the time to ensure that it is simple to select the operation, carry out the function test, and should you need to, maintain and replace the battery. We're now going to take a hands-on look at this new product. And to use it on your next project, the first thing you need to do is select the viewing distance that you require for your design. Local authority and fire prevention officers will have preferences as to the requirements of signage and lighting, so seeking their view is always advisable. We offer a 30 metre or 23 metre viewing distance with the Voyager Blade 2, and one benefit to the new product is that one housing fits all. So should anyone by mistake order the wrong exit sign, then it's easy to fix this on site. The picture packaging opens like a pizza box, and inside you'll find firstly the fixing kit, an installation manual, and then a cardboard insert which when you remove you can see protects the legend kit behind it, and above you can see the housing. The housing itself needs to be popped open using a small flathead screwdriver. And in here you then gain access to all the components. You have a lot of space to work with, easy to wire when you're running your cables, easy to change your batteries over with a simple plug and play configuration here. And this is the difference, because when we've looked at other competing products on the market, you will find products that will cost less, maybe by as much as £5, but typically those products are extremely difficult to maintain and carry out tasks like replacing the battery. As standard, it is available to be wall mounted and surface mounted to a ceiling. There are 3 stickers that say remove for wall mount to reveal the 3 fixing points that you can use. To mount it to a ceiling, if I tilt it this way, either side, you can see that we have the fixing points, and also a cable entry point for your mains incoming cable. To mount this housing in other ways, we offer you 3 options. A bracket for mounting the product at 90 degrees right angle to the wall, a frame to recess into a ceiling cutout with a maximum depth of 20mm, and a cord suspension for continuous height adjustment up to lengths of 2 meters. This means you can select the accessory that you require for your project and makes our range modular, meaning that you only pay for what you need. Once you have installed the housing, the next step would be to select whether you require a maintained or non-maintained operation for your exit sign. To do this, simply select using dip switch number 3 which operation you require. Currently you will see that the lower position is indicating the non-maintained function, and just by simply pushing this up, you will see that you can change the operation of your exit sign to be maintained. Please take care to ensure that you do not touch the positions of dip switches 1 and 2. These can be used to change the duration from 1 to 2 to 3 or 8 hours. But in the UK we only use a 3-hour duration, and this is the default position. In order to make planning of the project easy and accommodate last-minute changes, we include the safety sign pictograms shown on the table here as standard with your luminaire. If you need a single-sided pictogram, you would use the blanking plate, and if you need a double-sided pictogram, then you would affix one either side of the housing. To then insert your legends onto the system over the 2 fixing points at either end. And when you insert this part, you'll see that it's supplied with a safety hook, which you simply connect to the ring on the battery, like so. Once you've inserted the last legend, simply then take the housing and snap it into place to complete your installation. When switched on, the product really does look great, and in 230 volt AC operation, This exit sign is providing 500 candelas per metre squared. We have specifically chosen to use nickel metal hydrate batteries, which have exceptional safety performance, excellent lifetime, have 2 times the capacity of its predecessor NiCad, but importantly are friendly to the environment. EN 50172 states that the person responsible for the building has a legal obligation to make sure that all the emergency luminaires will operate when required. Therefore, the fittings must be regularly tested to ensure that they will light up when needed. If you are using a competent person today to walk around on a daily basis to perform a manual functional check of each emergency fitting, then Voyager Blade 2 offers you a new benefit. It is equipped with an intelligent processor that automatically tests functionality and battery life. Results are shown by a 2-colour LED indicator, and this auto test performs a monthly maintenance check so that the competent person can easily make a record. Auto test is also referred to as self-test in the market. If you would like to use this functionality on your next project, please select E3T when choosing your luminaire. In addition, we also offer daily monitoring, and you should select E3D if you would like to choose this option. The summary overview shows you all the options that the new Voyager Blade 2 can offer you on your next project, and we hope that this video should help you on your next design. Thorn has over 90 years of experience and reputation for quality. We believe we are your guarantee of an optimal emergency lighting solution.